seen love come dressed in fire, burn bright and disappear. I've seen hearts chase desire, only to vanish when it's clear. But you came calm, no thunder sound, just steady hands and honest eyes. No promises you couldn't ground, no need to sell me paradise. You didn't try to make me stay, you made me want to. You didn't beg or pull my way, you just stayed true. I choose you in every lifetime, every story, every scene. Through the highs, through the long nights, through the in-between. I choose you when the light fades, when tomorrow's hard to see. If love came back 1,000 times, I'd still choose you and me. You love me in my everyday, not just my shine, not just my glow. When silence had a lot to say, you listened more than you spoke. No rescue act, no saving face, just walking with me side by side. You gave my restless heart a place where it could finally rest inside. You didn't promise perfect days, you promised honest ones. You taught my heart a softer way to love someone. I choose you in every lifetime, every season, every year. When the road feels unkind, I want you near. I choose you when the world bends, when the future's unclear to me. If love rewrote the stars again, I'd still choose you and me. If time ever tries to test us, storms come uninvited, I won't look for an exit, I'll stand where I decided. Love ain't proved by running fast, it's proved by how you stay. I'm not scared of what might pass, I'm here for what remains. I choose you in every lifetime, every breath, every door. Even if we've been here before, I choose you more. I choose you without the fear, without the need to flee. If the universe asked again, I'd still choose you and me. So if this life is all we get, I love you just the same.